pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Clootie dumpling. For this you will need 120 grams of unsalted butter, 120 grams of castor superfine sugar, 360 grams of mixed dried fruit, 240 grams of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and 2 medium eggs. Add the butter, the sugar, and the mixed fruit. Into a saucepan and mix on a low heat until well combined. Well combined, see. Take off the heat and allow to cool. While it's cooling, beat the eggs. Put the cooled mixture into a large bowl. Add the flour, bicarbonate of soda, cream of tartar, and the mixed spice. Now the beaten egg, and mix well. Put the mixture into a 2-pound loaf tin. That's about 9.5 by 4 inches. Even it out. Bake for 1¼ hours at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius, fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. The taste is wonderful. I think it's a tad overdone, maybe 15 minutes less in the oven, but it's a good one, yes.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.